Hey y'all, it's Dr. Tiffany. I hope you're doing well. So this is a video about something nasty that's been on the rise lately, and that something nasty would be meningitis. Which meningitis is an infection of the lining of your brain and spinal cord, and is caused a lot of times by a bacteria called Neisseria meningitis, which is actually, believe it or not, a cousin to gonorrhea. So the CDC is sounding an alarm over it, and I do think that it's warranted. The case incidence has been rising sharply in recent times. I believe last year it was in like 420 or 430 cases last year, which was the highest since 2014. And this year there's already 140 or 160 cases as of the end of March, which is on track to beat last year. A lot of these cases, a fair amount of these cases have been coming from a rather persistent outbreak in central Florida. Now, Neisseria meningitis, there are several strains, and the strain that's causing this one causes unusually severe disease and likes to in patients in the 30 to 60-year-old age range. This is significant because that is an age range which, at least the older two-thirds of it may not have gotten any of the vaccines for it. So there is a Neisseria meningitis vaccine, which is highly effective. Also, if exposed to Neisseria meningitis, it is very treatable with antibiotics prophylactically. But the thing is these patients, the 30 to 60-year-old age range, this strain also hits people who are Black or African American particularly hard, and also people with HIV particularly hard. And it's got a higher mortality rate than most meningitis strains, killing 18% of those who get it instead of the normal 11%. So this is actually, it's a problem that's rising, and it's a problem that's preventable. There is an easily tolerated vaccine to this. If you have had the vaccine, you should be on pretty good ground, although you can get a titer checked if you are not sure. But if you haven't had the vaccine, this is something that we can prevent. We can keep this from being a problem. It's rising because, well, all vaccine preventable diseases are rising these days because of anti-vaxxers. So, well, and as of course this video is for educational purposes only. And well, that's it. I love you. Stay safe.